The move-in process was quick and easy.
I chose Creighton because of the Jesuit identity, the good pre-med program, and the community.
I'm most excited for new Bluejays to experience the community at Creighton. That's why I chose Creighton. I feel like we do just have really great community, a lot of energy, a lot of people really excited about the reason why they're here, whatever they're studying.
Yeah, shout out Mom for helping me with moving in for the 3rd year in a row.
It's just really nice to know that he has a community that really feels like a home away from home. Anywhere from his fraternity brothers to his dorm mates to his professors, everybody's just been a second family.
The energy was super high, like all day yesterday and all day this morning, which made it really fun. Yeah, I was just so excited to meet all the freshmen.
I chose Creighton because of my visit here. I wasn't really thinking about going here until I came and saw everyone and met everyone here and realized that it's a really great school.
I think all the new students have come in. They've been very excited, especially to see all the amenities we have here at Graves.
Yeah, I'm excited for all the academic opportunities here at Creighton.
Move-in was great. We both moved in yesterday. We moved into Graves, so we got to see like the entire new dorm.
I think that Creighton is a great place to be transformed into the person that God wants you to be.